working on the yard, and we're going to show you some pumpkins that I've been working on the past couple nights. But I'll give you a bit of layout on what we're going to do today. So like normally I run a fence along the driveway there that way, and then bring it over across the sidewalk and kind of into the yard here, and right about here bring it back and then tie back off to the house over here. I've done that for years, but this year we've got this little playhouse here that none of the kids play in anymore, and I'm actually storing Halloween stuff in there. So we're going to turn this into a witch's hut right here. I'm going to put my entryway to get into here. We got this hedge tree here and a tree here, so I'm going to do an entryway here and then walk them through like a wooded area type of thing. I'm going to come back into around the witch's scene, back around through here, and then there'll be graveyard and stuff over on this side, and exit out on that side. Well, right now we got to get some sticks to make our forest. So luckily for me, my neighbor that lives right across the street had a tree fall down, and it took out the power, and Empire came and just cut stuff loose so they get the power back up. So we're going to take all this stuff, drag it back over to the house and use that. Kind of hard to see. I wish it was like a little bit thicker, but anyway, we've got a tree line up in through here. Everybody will come, and we'll probably put some more shrubbery down on this bottom side down in here, just so we can thicken it up a little bit. It's going to be where they're going to walk in, and we're going to pull the limbs together here and tie them all up and make them look more like an arch, right? So it's more of an archway coming in, and some columns. It's hard to tell, guys, but we've got a fence all the way up through here, and then over here against the house, right in through here, there's some more. We're gonna get more wood, bring more in, we're gonna thicken it up more, make the trees thicker so it just has a more dense feel to it, and get going. Overall though, it should be pretty good. So after one day, one afternoon, we got a tree. It's hard to, can you even see those trees in the video? It's real hard to tell. That was all open, so we got a tree line running through there all the way across, all the way through to what's going to be the witch's hut. Sunday morning, got a lot more sticks and shrubs out here. We're going to go from this tree over here and build us out a little more of a wood fence out this direction and start filling this stuff in. Holy cow, I got to wrap this video up. What I started this weekend telling you guys about the yard and showing you that junk out there. It's now Tuesday and I didn't do a finish up, and I just told you guys, or I told you earlier, show you pumpkins I've been working on. So anyway, if you followed on Facebook, you've seen this pumpkin, and then you've seen this pumpkin with the texture's a little different on this one. I kind of like it. It looks pretty neat. I wonder how the paint's going to turn out on it, but I'm going to do another one. Getting ready to make another batch of clay, and I'm going to do another one in this texture with a different face. No videos on these pumpkins. These are just things I'm making in my spare time, so I haven't been filming any of that, and I've been doing that stuff upstairs, not down in the craft room where I should be at. But I'm trying to spend time with the family and do things and make these things at the same time. And my wife puts up with me making a big ass mess out here in the living room, and she doesn't complain about it, so that's a plus. Anyway, that's it. These are the pumpkins I've been working on. I'm going to make 2 more of these. These things are going to wind up going for sale later on. You guys saw where I was with the yard, and next weekend it's just kind of full out right now, trying to get the yard done for Halloween. I'll be working on some of these during the week. I'm not going to really film any of that, but I'll give you guys updates on these things, and definitely keep you guys updated on how the yard's going. After we get Halloween over with and all that good stuff, then we'll get back into doing some tutorials and I need to finish up. We had the live stream on the Skull and Raven. I was debating whether I was going to go ahead and finish that and do a live stream on that, or just make a video from where we are right now, like do a recap from where we were. You guys tell me in the comments below that we're following on live stream. Do you want me to finish that doing a live stream, or just make a video of it and put it out there? Anyway, you guys let me know, and I'll catch you on the next one.